Alright, back here at the back corner of the house, right behind the shop. We've got all this stuff laid up in here, and I've been cutting wood out, excess wood that I have. I'm going to take this golf cart. I don't want to get rid of it just yet, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do with it. What? I know, she wants me to get rid of the golf cart. You guys need to comment and like fight her for it and tell her that no, I can't get rid of it. But I think I can fit it underneath the house, so I need to take the awning off the top and move some stuff around, because I want to take the front porch that we have now and move it back here. Might not do it on this week, but I'm going to get things moved around so that I can start that. I want to build a new porch. I want to just start making the house more like a house. You know, a little bit nicer and neater and prettier, like our trucks. So that's what I'm doing today. And presto changeo. Got a lot of the wood cut up and thrown out. I'm keeping a lot of the 4x4s that are here because I can probably use those for when I move the porch. What are you doing up there? Are you going to talk?
Yes.
What are you going to talk about?
I love Daddy.
You what?
I love you.
I love you too, baby. All right. This lawnmower right here. She loves mommy too. This Briggs & Stratton right here, it's a Murray. I don't know if anybody knows anything about these, but this one is 15 years old. And I just got done starting it up again. I thought it might have been dead, but I cleaned the spark plug and the spark plug wire that connects to it, and it fired right up. Smoked for a little bit and then started working fine. But now we have enough room between here and over there where she's sitting now. Say hi. To put the porch that's at the front, because it's only 8 foot by 8 foot. And then I'll have to get rid of that. I don't know why I didn't get rid of it a long time ago and move the sawhorses, but it's only 8 foot there, and I think it comes out to about here. So that might just get moved. I'm kind of changing things up right now. I have time and I have a little bit of money to be able to work more on the trucks, but the problem is I need to get stuff done around here, and I need to make this more home and make it look nicer and make it more presentable, because I mean we're going to be here for a while. So right on, a castle. Woo.
Little castle then.
My boss has got a bunch of these in the back lot of his yard, and he told me I can get all the loose ones I can get. So I'm going to try and break in from the house forward, possibly out that way, and extend the parking pad out a little bit farther, because I'd like to get another vehicle. I'd like to get a tuner. Don't tell nobody, but I really would like to get a tuner and start working on it as well. I love both worlds. So that's what's going on in my life right now. It's just been a whole bunch of family time. We went camping. It rained. We got flooded. We dried up the tent. Did all kinds of stuff. I should have videotaped that weekend. It was horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Here's the walkway going out the back. You look at it from the other side. So that's it. It's just basically I'm going to be doing little updates here and there. Hope you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Just going to try to start fixing things up. So my videos might change. Things that I'm doing might change. See, this is the other thing. I don't know if you can watch it. There's a hummingbird right there. Katie, stop. Don't move. Katie, stop. He landed up in the tree right up there just to kick back and relax.
That was smart. Are you videoing? Or are you just waiting for another one to come?
Yeah, I'm videoing. Oh my God. You felt the wind on your face on that one, didn't you?
That was awesome. I love it when they do that. Except for that one that almost poked me in the eye.
That's why I'm not moving.
Me too.
I'm going to stand right here when I get done, too, and wait for them. This one always leaks when I first turn it back up, too. And of course, you could see, you know. I need to get that sugar water off the porch, too.
Thumbs up. Big thumb up.
You have to be quiet when they come, so we'll keep them up here. Waiting for them to come up to my face.
That's something I want to enjoy more. Is time with her, time with my wife, and time with all of this stuff that we have and make it look better. This doesn't look right. This looks like a bachelor still lives here. I need to fix that up. That's going to stay. But yeah, get things cleaned up. Mosquitoes are coming out. I'm about to go inside. I'm hot. And like I said, please stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to share whatever I got going on in my life with you guys. And hopefully we'll do a little bit of modifying along the way. So that's it. Thumb up for a moment with a hummingbird. Say bye, baby.